All right, guys, so today I'm going to show you how to sign up for an account to watch the Polish PLUSLIGA matches for the season 2021. So what this is it's a cable company over here in Poland. They have a whole lot of different TV shows. It's 40 zloty a month. That comes out to about $10 a month. So if you're interested in watching it, it's very professionally well done. We have matches at 2:30, 5:30, and 8:30 on Saturdays and Sundays. So that's European time. So it's pretty much the morning on the East Coast and really early morning on the West Coast. But they show replays a lot. So if you want to catch the game later, you can always do that. But like I said, it's really good quality. I personally think it's worth the $10, but it can be a little tricky to figure out. So I'm going to walk you through it here step by step, get you signed up for an account so you can watch and show you what channel that we're on. So without further ado, here we go. All right, so you're going to go to this website, polsatboxgo.pl. It's going to be in Polish. You're going to right click on Google Chrome. You're going to translate to English. That'll help you out so you can actually understand what's going on. You're going to follow what I'm doing here, log in, create an account. I mean, not log in. You're just going to create an account there at the bottom. You're going to type in your email, password. You're going to consent. I forgot to declare and confirm here, so I had to go back. Click all three of those buttons. Make sure they're all yellow, just like that. Create an account. So now you're going to have to check your mail. You're going to go to whatever mail service you have. You're going to look for an email from the company. As it comes up here, it's contact. Had a little weird issue whenever I logged into this. I don't use my Hotmail that much. So I'm just kind of trying to figure out what's going on here. It got lost for a second, so I was going through trying to figure out what exactly that was, where it went. There it is, popped up. Go to it. You're going to also want to right click and translate this to English so you can see, follow the activate account, click that link. This just pretty much says it's good to go. Thank you. All right. So now you're going to go to log in. This is important. You're going to go log in with other data. Type in your email, your password, and then it's going to say, you want to see your partner's content tailored to you. I click no just because the only reason I'm using this is for volleyball. Add a profile, so it's just like your Netflix or any other subscription service. I just put your name, whatever. So watch as Mitch. So then at the top, you're going to see there's a bunch of different things. You're going to want to go to TV channels here, and you're going to scroll down until you get Polsat Sport. This is where all of our matches are. So this was actually last night. I'm recording this on Monday. This was yesterday. This was our 2:30 game yesterday here in Poland. This Zaksa game. So then this is going to come up. This is where you're going to pay. And click next. It's 40 PLN. That's Polish zloty. So whenever you pay, you can go to, or if you have a credit card with no foreign transaction fees, it's really nice for this. It'll just convert it to US dollar. Like I said, it'll come out to be around $10 a month. All right. So once your payment's done, you're going to come here, we're back here at the main screen. I'm logged in with my account that's got the payment on, so I'm going to click TV channels. Scroll down to Polsat Sport. I'm going to click watch. Now, this is kind of interesting. I didn't have to right-click and translate here in Google Chrome. After a while, it kind of learns you, and it'll start to translate all of your Polish or whatever foreign language you see. It'll slowly learn your habits, and whenever that comes up on your screen, it'll translate everything into English. So it takes a little bit of time here to get it going. Sometimes it's a little bit slow, but once you get it going, once the stream catches up or whatever it's doing, then it's solid. There's no lag, there's no issues with bad quality. As you can see here, this is the match from yesterday, like I said earlier. Zaksa and Lublin, a couple Americans playing. As we'll see here, Dustin Watton right there, Dave Smith right there, and then Eric Shoji's on the court too, but we don't catch him in this clip. So anyway, that's how you get it going, and here's just a little example of the quality you can expect. So